Thank you. All right. That was fun. All right, we're going to do a number here that was written by my pal and co-founder of the duo and group that I was in a while back called Dog's New Clothes. This is a song he wrote called The Train. So any of you guys out there that like to get into train noises, this is your chance to do a little bit of a
Don't be afraid to participate.
Do not be afraid.
We need crowd participation.
All right.
The train travels on